Well, good morning, everybody. It's me, Mitch. Today I'm going to do a new air fryer unboxing. I'm going to take a look at this thing. And for most of you that have been following me for a while, you know that I love Z-Star air fryer grill that I first recommended 4 or 5 months ago. It was relatively inexpensive. It works great. I love it. I recommended it to everybody. People bought them like they were going out of style. I got comments how much people loved this thing. Then it became unavailable on Amazon. So for about 2 or 3 months, I said, well, this Ninja thing looks like feature for feature a pretty good representation. It was a few bucks more, but I said, try that. So a lot of people bought these Ninja Foodi Smart XL grills and told me that in comments that they really loved them. So my videos featuring the Z-Star are still running. People are still writing in comments they can't get them anymore. So I've been recommending this Ninja. And I said, I don't need another air fryer. But since so many people are taking my word for it, I need to buy one of these things just to see how I like it and see and make sure that it is everything that I think it is. I have no reason not to believe that because I've got nothing but rave comments about it. We're going to unbox this thing today. In this video, we're going to take a look at what it looks like. And then shortly, I'm going to run it through its paces like I did with the Z-Star and try to cook any number of different things and make a video about how they come out. I am just about certain that they will be wonderful. It has all kinds of pretty printing and pictures on the box, like they all do. It says it includes 1760 watt Foodi grill, a grill crate air fryer crispy basket, family-sized cooking pot, a Foodi smart thermometer, a cleaning brush, and a chef-created recipe book with 15 recipes, tips, tricks, and cooking charts. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. I haven't opened it yet. I got it a couple of days ago. I've been waiting until I could do this video to open it. And we'll take this stuff out of the box and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, the first thing that we have here is the grill plate. Now this has got a much shinier coating, nonstick on it. It looks almost like a lacquered finish, but very heavy. This is the grill plate. And we get printed material. And we have how to virtually smoke-free experience, more safety instructions in 30 languages than anybody would ever want to read. We have a smart grill, little cookbook, most of which we don't need because we don't eat most of that stuff. We have a quick start guide, instructions for how to place the thermometer, and a chart that tells us temperatures. Okay. And we have a brush. All right. Now, it appears that I can lift this thing out of here. So let's do that. And let's get rid of the box. Well, that wasn't too bad. All right. So we have plastic, styrofoam, all right, and let's turn it around so you can see the front. And at first glance, it does look a little larger than the Z-Star. It's definitely taller, whereas the Z-Star's got the vent in the back. This thing seems to have something up on top here. But I wanted to show you a size comparison. As far as the depth goes, I think they're both pretty much the same depth. And as far as width goes, they look like they're exactly the same width. So other than the Ninja being an inch plus taller, I think they're pretty much identical in size externally, which is good. That means it won't take up any more room in the kitchen. Now, let's see what we have. We have tape all over it. All right, let's get the tape off of here. And we have a little, there's the thermometer. Oh, I got tape all over this thing. One here. Now can we open it? Yes, now we can open it. Okay, we have a deep basket, a little deeper than the basket. No, not really. Same depth, same size basket. In fact, the two of them look identical in size. So looks that the Ninja doesn't hold any more than the Z-Star did, but it does have that basket. And it's got the same style of bottom panel. And that's it. So as far as size, capacity, and everything else, it looks like it's pretty identical. So I guess I picked a pretty close comparison of an air fryer grill with the same capabilities. And let's get all the tape off of it. So it's got that. And then the grill. And the grill goes down in here. Or the basket fits down in here. And that's it. And then up in the lid here, it does have a screen that's removable, it looks like. And we'll get into all that when we clean it, to help keep the splatter. And it's basically the same exact layout as the Z-Star. And I expect that it's going to work pretty much the same way. This little thermometer thing just, oh, it's held in by a magnet. So there you have it. That's the unboxing and the first look at the pieces and parts of this Ninja Foodi XL. And I'm wondering if this will all fit together like the Z Star does. If there's a way to, nope. There may be a way. I'll look in the instructions of getting all this stuff in there. One of the things about the Z Star is you can put this in there and close the lid. This, evidently, you can only close the lid when one or the other is in. So you're gonna have to store this separately. If any of you have this thing and figured out how to make all this fit in there, let me know. All right, we have unboxed it right now. I'm gonna put it aside and we will deal with trying to cook on it later. With that, there's a link to this. If you like what you see, it's in the Stuff I Use page on my website at oldguycarnivore.com. Take the rest of the day off and eat meat.